Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming rated gear and a safe anchor. Check straps, shackles, snatch block, and wear gloves. Once done, inspect anchor points and set vehicle in park with chocks. Make sure one person leads commands so everyone reacts together. Then position the winch or strap along the shortest safe pull line. You want minimal angles. Steep angles multiply loads. Keep bystanders back and mark a clear danger zone before connecting anything. You now rig thoughtfully. Place a tree protector, then run the strap or winch line, avoiding sharp edges. If you need mechanical advantage, feed the winch line through a snatch block. This halves load and changes direction. Make sure soft shackles are looped correctly and pin shackles through rated recovery points only. Once connected, take up slack in short, controlled pulls to test attachment integrity. Keep communication clear. If a component shifts, stop immediately and reassess. You finish by pulling in controlled increments. Apply steady power, pause, then retention to prevent shock loads. Once the vehicle moves free, park safely and rechock wheels. Disconnect in reverse order, coil lines neatly and stow all rated gear. Make sure to inspect straps and shackles for damage before reuse. Troubleshooting tip: if anything binds, smokes, or gets hot, stop immediately, let it cool, unweight the line, and reevaluate the rigging and anchor positions before continuing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.